Tripura Congress launched a massive protest against the police in Agartala. Tripura Pradesh Congress organized sit-in dharna in front of the Sardar SDPO office, demanding the resignation of the Sardar SDPO for being politically motivated and unnecessarily harassing the Sardar District Congress President Narayan Datta. A report. Tripura Congress launched a massive protest against the police in Agartala. The Tripura Pradesh Congress organized sit-in dharna in front of the Sardar SDPO office in Agartala, demanding the resignation of the Sardar SDPO for being politically motivated and unnecessarily harassing Sardar District Congress President Narayan Datta. The sit-in protest program was organized on Monday, 6 July by Sardar DCC and Sardar DYC supporters. The Congress supporters and workers gherawed West Agartala police station. The Congress leader warned that they will file a criminal case against sub-divisional police officer Shashwat Kumar. Earlier on Sunday, Tripura observed 24 hours full lockdown across the state in a bid to break the chain of the COVID-19 transmission. The one-day lockdown inspired by the Janta curfew began from 5 a.m. on Sunday and ends at 5 a.m. on Monday. On Sunday, SDPO arrested Congress leader Narayan Datta, husband of the AMC Congress councillor Ratna Datta, without any reason. Congress on Monday launched a protest program against the arrest of the Narayan Datta. The party gherawed the West Agartala police station and shouted slogans against the police.
District Congress President Narayan Datta, he has been harassed unnecessarily. He is abused. This police officer SDPO, he is suffering from intolerance, and he could not digest his power. But he should remember that all powers that is subject to limitations. He is not above law. Abusement that is not fall within his jurisdiction, that is not covered by his official duty, and no sanction is required to prosecute him. So we are not, till today we have not lodged any criminal case against him. But we may be compelled to file criminal cases against him unless DG takes some action against him. Otherwise we shall be bound to go for further movement.
During the entire lockdown period, we have seen the entire police fraternity has politically they are motivated to work for the ruling party, and we have seen in many places when we have gone to distribute food during this coronavirus pandemic, the BJP goons had several times in everywhere in Tripura they have attacked our Congress workers and leaders. So in that case, we have many times we have approached the police, but they didn't respond anything for us. Our demand is that why the police personnel cannot work independently and neutrally towards the benefit of the human being. They are always working just for the as per the direction of the BJP government.
Congress President Piyush Kanti Bishwas alleged that Tripura police is trying its unlawful activities under the BJP flag. He said that the police have no right to abuse people or harass people, and alleged that the SDPO is creating problem. Bureau Report.